How to factory reset Netlink V2802DAC ONT. If you forget the ONT password, you can do a factory reset on the ONT. You can find out a reset button on the side of the ONT. Long press the button until all the LEDs turn on and off 4 times. Now we are able to log into the ONT default. First open your web browser. Then enter your IP address on the URL 192.168.1.1. A dialog box will appear. Type your username and password. Default username admin. Password STDONU101. Enter the verification code and click on the login button. We will log into the new window. Enter old password. Type your new password. Confirm password. Apply changes. The ONT password is modified successfully. Then re-log in using a new password. We will log in to the ONT status page. We can also do the factory reset in the ONT by using the software. Click on the Management tab and select the Device Manage tab. Select Config File. Click on the Cancel Self-Custom Default option. Click on the Restore Factory Configuration button to reset the ONT. The ONT resetting the settings will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Please wait patiently. ONT factory reset done. Use default login username and password again.